Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, we'll learn how to remove SearchMine from Safari on your MacBook. SearchMine is a browser hijacker that can change your homepage, redirect your searches, and sometimes install unwanted extensions without clearly asking for permission. You may notice Safari opening strange search pages, redirecting to unknown websites, or changing your default search engine automatically. The good news is that you can usually remove it by cleaning up a few Safari and Mac settings. Let's begin with the first method. Open Safari on your Mac, then move to the top menu bar and click Safari. From the drop-down menu, choose Settings. On some macOS versions, this may appear as Preferences. Inside the Settings window, stay in the General tab and look for the Homepage section. Make sure SearchMine or any unknown website is not listed there. If you see it, delete it and replace it with a trusted homepage like google.com. This ensures Safari opens with a normal homepage instead of the unwanted search page. Now move to the Search tab and also make sure your preferred search engine is selected. If this video is helping you so far, please like the video and subscribe to Delft Stack for more quick Mac and iPhone tutorials. Next, switch to the Extensions tab inside Safari settings. Here you'll see all installed Safari extensions. Look carefully for anything suspicious, recently installed, or extensions you do not remember adding. Select the extension and click Uninstall or remove it from Safari. Browser hijackers often come bundled with free apps or fake browser tools, so removing unknown extensions is an important step. Now let's check for suspicious startup apps on your Mac. Open System Settings or System Preferences, then go to Users and Groups. Select your user profile from the left side, then open Login Items. Here you'll see apps that start automatically when your Mac turns on. Look for anything unfamiliar or suspicious, especially apps installed around the same time the problem started. Select the unwanted item and click the minus button to remove it from startup. After that, restart your Mac so the changes fully apply. Once your Mac restarts, open Safari again and check if the redirects are gone. If the problem still continues after these steps, you may need to scan your Mac using a trusted antivirus or anti-malware tool to remove hidden files related to SearchMine. And that's it. You now know how to remove SearchMine from Safari on your MacBook and stop unwanted redirects. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video.